Don't know what life is, it seems to me you would have failed in your endeavor to study life in a biology class. The same is true with philosophy. When we study philosophy, the first question we should ask is, what is philosophy? And so we're talking about the nature of it. When we say the nature of something, we want to know what it is. For example, when I talk about psychology again, that's the study of what they would say is the mind. It comes from the Greek word the psyche, which means the soul. We use the mind now. It sounds a little less religious, I suppose. But the first thing we want to know for my potential psychologists out there is, what is the mind, before we could even start doing psychology as, how to treat the mind. If you don't know what it is, how do you treat it? All right, so let's give another slide here. And what we have is philosophy comes from two words, philosophia in Greek. So you phileo them. And philosophia is this friendship or love in this regard of Sophia. Sophia is a popular name for girls, but what does it mean in Greek? It means wisdom. So philosophy in general, to define what philosophy is the love of wisdom. Now, of course, is that an easy definition? It sounds pretty easy, doesn't it? But it's not. Because in philosophy, we are interested in defining our terms. We don't want to just leave them vague. We don't want them ambiguous. Because if I asked one of you guys what philosophy is, you'd say, oh yeah, it's the love of wisdom, because I just told you that. But then I'd say, great. And we know what kind of love it is. It is phileo, that friendship. But what is wisdom? That's the question.